Good morning, and it's Vlogmas day 2. Currently getting ready for work because apparently I entered earlier than usual. So I have to get ready ASAP. I'm gonna go ahead and change, and then I'll be back when I'm brushing my teeth and washing my face. I'm ready for work, so now I have to go to work. Alright, so I'll see you guys after work if I get out early and on my time to leave. If not, then this might be it for this vlog, but hopefully I get to see you guys before the day ends. So bye. Hello guys, I am finally back home from work. A little later than expected, but I'm back. So right now I am going to make something to eat because I have not eaten all freaking day, literally. Only thing I ate was some cookies and apples. That's all I've had all day. So right now I think I'm gonna make picadas, memelas, I don't know how to say it. For those of you who know what they are, and then for those of you who don't, I'll be making them so I can show you guys what they are. So I've been craving them since yesterday. Actually, not even yesterday, since like 2 days ago, but I just didn't have time to make them. So I'm gonna make some right now. So I'm gonna show you guys and record it for you guys. Hopefully this process is aesthetically pleasing. So let's go ahead and get started with the process of making them. finished making my picada slash memelas. I don't know how they're called, to be honest. I just know that I like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. This is how I prepare mine. This is how I like mine, only with crema y queso. Those are my favorite. Usually if I had salsa, I would put salsa on, but no tengo salsa y no estoy para hacer salsa porque ya tengo hambre. But this is how mine are. This is how I make them. I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I'm starving. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the living room a bit and try to vacuum before it gets even more late. Because we're gonna put our Christmas tree up and I need the salad to be clean. So I'll see you guys when I finish eating. Okay, so I finished eating and I'm gonna go ahead and limpiar la sala a bit because I want to vacuum and it's already 9 and I can't vacuum. I mean, I think I'm a vacuum. I don't know. I don't know what to do because it's already late and I don't want the neighbors to be complaining because I was complaining about something. So if anything, I might vacuum real quick. Nomás son like simple pasadita. And yeah, so come with me to clean the living room. I'm gonna go ahead and change first because I'm still in work clothes and I want to be comfy. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna change and then the next clip will be me cleaning la sala before Sandra gets home, so that way when she gets home all we have to do is put the tree up. And yeah, so let me go change and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I kind of finished cleaning the living room. I'm gonna give you a quick I'm gonna just show you what I cleaned. So I cleaned a bit. I didn't get to vacuum anymore because it's already really late at night. So somewhat clean. I fixed my nail desk and my other part of my nail things. That are some new gel polishes that I got from someone that I'm going to swatch and see how they look. Those are my work shoes. That is water that I had from Flowers, which I'm going to throw out. And my bag for school, which, talking about school, I have school tomorrow again. But yeah, so far I finished cleaning for the living room. I don't know if I'll show me cleaning every single time, because I don't want it to consist of cleaning, like the vlogs consist of cleaning. But I mean, that is my daily thing, cleaning and having everything organized, going to school and work. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna finish editing yesterday's video, because as I was editing, my adapter for my SD card slightly moved while I was editing, and it got rid of all the footage that I had edited already, and I was so upset. So I was just frustrated and I just went to sleep because I had to work today. So I'm gonna try to finish editing the vlog for yesterday's vlog and edit whatever I have from today's vlog, so I can have something up before the end of the night, and then have something edited so that when we show the Christmas tree, all I have to do is edit that part, upload it, and call it a night. Adivinen quién llegó. Hello. Hello. She's finally home, so that means we can put our tree up. I'm finishing vlog 1, trying to upload it, but I just realized that my Vlogmas intro is from last year, but it's okay. So I have to edit the days on it, which I don't know how. I might have to make a new intro, because each vlog day has its own day, like Vlogmas day 4, like day 4, day 2, like it has it in its own little clip. So I might have to redo the vlog intro, but for now I might use the old one just for now until I make the new one. So yeah, right now I don't know what she's doing. ¿Qué está haciendo ahora? Oh, we got that on Black Friday, her bocina, y lo está tratando de poner. Con eso sí nos va a correr los van a correr del apartamento los vecinos, porque como les gusta quejarse de todo, con eso van a tener. Pero they shouldn't complain because they be using theirs as well. ¿Ya está conectado? La supone. Pero anyways, ya llegó a la casa. Ya sacó las cosas para el árbol. So we're gonna put our Christmas tree up.